this video, I will show you how to move taskbar to the left in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So on Windows 11, by default, the taskbar and all the icons are actually central. Now, of course, on older versions of Windows, the start icon and things like that would be over on the left-hand side of the taskbar. So if you want to move this so you've got the icons on the left-hand side, it's really, really easy to do. All you need to do is come down to your taskbar, right-click anywhere on an empty space off the taskbar to bring up this menu, and then click onto taskbar settings. Now what it's going to do is take you into a screen like this, and from here you want to scroll down a bit until you see the option for taskbar behaviors, and then give this a click. Now you can see we got an option here which says taskbar alignment. So if you actually click onto this, you can see it's currently set to center, and what you can do is click onto left. And by doing this, it's actually going to go ahead and move everything to the left-hand side, which if you're used to older versions of Windows, like Windows 10, it's going to look more familiar to you. So that is basically how to move the taskbar to the left in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.